Good morning. It's Monday, June the 13th. I'm glad you're here. A couple of things. The makeup quiz for quiz 1 is posted. It's under the announcements. It was also sent to your email, so be sure to look over that. It's a one-page answer to one of two questions. It's due before Tuesday, June 14th at 11:55 p.m. Feel free to use any notes you've taken during class, any information you've received so far, but don't Google the answer. Of course, plagiarism will result in 0. Last semester, I had a very interesting conversation with an online student. She actually stopped by my office. And she asked, this was just before the final, she asked, could I post some of the previous quizzes? And I said, no, I really can't do that, but study your notes, because I'd rather you learn the information rather than try to learn the test. And she looked at me and she said, notes? And I said, yeah. I said, the notes you took during the course of the semester. She said, this is an online class. We don't take notes. Well, you should. You really should. You're wanting to learn the information. You need to learn the information. And just reading or watching the video or something can be very helpful. But trust me when I say jotting down important piece of information can help you learn it like nothing else. So this week we're doing Hamlet, Prince of Denmark. Let me encourage you, as you read Act 1, Scene 1, stop. It's not long, it's 3 or 4 pages. Stop at the end of Act 1, Scene 1 and just jot down, somewhere in your notes, 3 or 4 important things that happened during that scene. When you read Act 1, Scene 2, stop, jot down a few things, Scene 3, same thing, until you get to the end of the act. Doing that will help you so much more than trying to reread the entire act or trying to watch a video or whatever. Take good notes as we go throughout the semester, not only in the drama unit, but in the poetry and the short story units as well. Very, very helpful. Let's talk for a moment about videos. Can you watch a video of the play Hamlet? Well, sure you can, of course. The play was written to be acted out. It was never written to be studied and dissected and taken apart and analyzed. It was written for enjoyment, and that's what we're looking for here. We're looking to increase our understanding and our enjoyment of the play. So yeah, feel free to YouTube any video of Hamlet you like. There are several good versions out there. I like the Sir John Gielgud version from the 30s and the Kenneth Branagh version from the 90s. But feel free to watch whichever one you want. But keep this in mind. When you watch a video or go see the play, you're not getting Shakespeare's Hamlet. You're getting one director's interpretation of the play. And every director out there is going to emphasize some parts by leaving out other parts. Sometimes they omit entire scenes, sometimes they omit characters, sometimes they reorder the order of the events in the play, of the plot. So just remember to read the play first, get a good basic understanding of what happens, then watch a video to increase your understanding and enjoyment of it. Okay. I haven't gotten a lot of questions so far from students this semester, so feel free to email me any questions you'd like to have help with. Questions about content, of course, are always good ones, and I look forward to helping you with those. Other than that, I think the semester is going along pretty well. Of course, you'll want to watch all the videos. You'll want to read all the announcements and the emails and just kind of keep up. The semester goes very quickly. We're already 1 week into a 5-week semester, so we're starting week 2 today. And whatever questions you have, feel free to ask. Thanks, and have a good week.